Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Ka Frank Motors ha ka arpun tarik unailar arajar arpulai kala Paidbah ya ka kali batmai ka balatip kerteng kum ka all new Tata Punch ya gane ka kali la Paidbah da u chief manager jong ka Bank of Baroda u Vikas Chetri u balalong kum u kongsan ha gane ka sngi harengkat ka jingidon lang jong utrai ka Frank Motors u ba endon lang basa bat giwe ki bala sha khot sngoba rengkat lang bat u customer u balathiet ningkong ya kani ka kali u ba rangi lengdo.
The Punch has exactly what you need. It has high ground clearance, which means it's good for off-road as well, but not in certain parts of Shillong, not on Kitakabal along Shapapalat. But still it can take the hit. And it also has projector headlamps and LED tail lamps, which is very cool. Like I said, especially for guys, we love cars, we love bikes, man. Just like girls, you love your shoes and you love your dresses. Well, guys, we love our bikes, we love our cars, right? And yes, it also has very spacious and premium interiors with commanding driver position of an SUV, high-speed seating with a high clear view of the roads, which means no matter what your height is, you're always gonna get a good view of the road ahead of you. It also has 90-degree opening doors and flat rear floors, which means getting in couldn't be easier. You know, a lot of times, especially during places where it's a little bit more difficult for you to get in. Now with these 90-degree opening doors, it makes it a whole lot easier. We live in a world where technology is at an all-time high, and we always desire things that are pretty high-tech.
And I have to say that we, Bank of Baroda, are the channel partner or their Frank Motors has been associated with us since long. We are very happy that today they have given us the opportunity. I, along with my team members, are here. And first of all, I will tell this. It has almost become 1.5 years that Frank Motors has started its journey here in Ceylon. And as you all know that Frank Indian Pasao has also carved Nikkei in this industry because Frank Yamaha, his sister concern, has been doing very excellent since long here. And in 1.5 years, I have to say that Frank Motors has made their impact in this market, and we, Bank of Baroda, know because we are associated with them, and all the things, whatever facility, financial assistance which we have are able to provide, we are very happy. And as about Tata, I have to say that Tata is a leading automobile industry company in India. Everyone knows they are very much focused in safety measures, because in all other cars, you can see the Tata car is safest because of its innovative features in this. And I have to say that Tata has now launched this Tata Punch, which is with sunroof model, which is doing which will be doing very good in the market, because in this affordable price, I can say that Tata has done a tremendous job by unveiling this new model of Tata Punch. And I have to say that today is a very important day for all of Tata Motors people here. That in this and to all the stakeholders, that today I will be unveiling this.
To present to you the brand new Tata Punch. Yeah, boy. awesome is that? Classy, bougie, affordable, just the way we like it. The kids again. With the new sunroof.
Why should the road tell me where to go?
Why should anything come between me and the stars?
Why should impossible stop me?
Why shouldn't I make space for the unexpected?
Why shouldn't that feel like this?
How would here look like from there, or there, or there?
Every journey brings its own questions. You bring your own reply.
A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.